Jeremiah, you look like a natural.
Hi. Hey, good morning from the Red River Gorge, and last night was a brisk night. Not really, it wasn't that cold, but I slept all night here at the trailhead, and so I've got a few hours before I meet up with the rest of the group, but I'm just going to kind of take it easy, wait for the sun to come up, and just enjoy the sounds of nature. The group that's coming is about between 10 to 15 people, and we are going to go to a couple of places in the gorge, a couple of the best places I think, and do some camping. And it is other YouTubers, so it'll be interesting. A lot of them you may know. So let's see what we can capture on this trail and on this trip. All right, more later. Alright, I haven't filmed much on this hike because, let's face it, it's just me being out of breath. But the rest of the fellows are making their way up the staircase. I'm in the notch right now, and I'm always last. So, but they're making their way up, so they get to film me being the last one up. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so we've come down to check out the council chambers, and this place is enormous. And we're going to head up the goat path to back up on the ridge, but this is the water source up top. This is going to be our water source for tonight. So let's go. Over there is Cloud Splitter, Indian Staircase, which we climbed. Now we're coming back around the ridge.
Make a monetary bet if you wanted to.
We all here go back and bet on it.
Let me talk to John.
Let me talk to you. Let me
flipping
know.
your shit.
I give it the
Yeah, he's gonna talk to Josh. You go, nah.
I was gonna say, put it in perspective. I'm pretty self-aware.
Josh
is
very family friendly.
Look at the podcast coming up this week.
Yeah, it's gonna be like 18-ish inches tall.
I know that from woodwork.
Yeah. Close to the ground.
So
because
this right
if I'm
here
close to the ground,
is under 18.
if I'm close to the ground, it lets me do this more.
I don't like it because my legs are so long, bro.
Like sitting long like this, like pinches my waist right here is what I don't like.
Hey, good morning from day 2 at the Red River Gorge. Yesterday was kind of a blur. I have to admit, I didn't do much filming. We did a lot of hiking, and I was just beat. So I'm tearing my stuff down now. You can see everybody over there talking around the breakfast fire. We have to get out of here pretty quickly because we got to get over to Hanson's to get a good spot because it's Saturday morning. So stay tuned. Hopefully to film more today and maybe get to know some of the fellas. And we'll see you down trail here. Hello.
Good morning, friends.
Jeremiah Stringer. What's up?
I've been waiting on this guy for an hour now.
I saw it when you were done. I was like, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't do shit for it. Really? I'll just throw up like a short video if I'm gonna edit it.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's not, doesn't do anything for your YouTube channel.
Oh, shit. Rachel fucking watches that shit all the time.
Oh my God, I feel like I'm losing my wife to it.
Look at that, Brian. We climbed up that. You did it in the dark.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
I think the GoPro sucks when it's cold out.
Just get that. Yeah, I do too.
It just shut off.
One last view of Indian Staircase.
So that's the.
We added 2 more to
I know you were
group.
going to get into them. I'm like,
Yeah,
that
goat.
backpack's kind of expensive.
Oh, yeah, I got
time.
REI, they had like a sale.
Yeah, right.
Like, well, that's good pack for first.
So we're coming up on Adina Arch. All right, let's check this out. Very nice. I keep running into this person every weekend. I think they're following me.
Yep.
That's good. I'm glad you did. I'm really glad you guys came.
Yeah, we're glad.
Having a great time.
Yep.
That's awesome. But look at all these stars, man. Even this one.
I said I recognize Jeremiah and Rob, and then Nicole and Don.
I didn't try it. I don't want to try it.
What'd you send him? Oh, a picture.
Yeah.
Why is it new to
I
you?
was pointing to Jeremiah.
Oh, work for it.
Came back out here for sunset. All of us did.
Sorry.
You're fine.
All right, we returned to Hanson Point, and my face out of the shot, but
Look a little less terrified.
that's the normal one.
Jeremiah, you look like a natural.
Hi.
Can you say backpacking with Jason?
Backpacking with Jason.
Oh, nice. Smoke that scar like a Clinton.
He's my third cousin.
Third cousin.
Yeah. Because of cousins, being cousins, and getting married to one another.
West Virginia.
West Virginia. He's from West Virginia.
He's like, oh, I just been playing games at work, you know, I'm trying to get a new job, new title, because they need someone to do some different stuff. I'm trying to get...
Yeah, I'm
Mind
like,
if
I
keep
don't
this on
beat
all
my...
night? You mind if I just run this for the rest of the night? Oh, I'm sorry, dude. Did I fuck this shit up?
No, you're good.
Yeah, he's a little long.
Really?
You have to have $100 shoes on. Yeah. So flop.
Even now.
Yeah, I do. I try not to talk in anybody's direction. My coffee breath is actually bothering me right now.
Is that bad?
I can't smell anything.
See, smell like you're like, oh, I gotta put...
I don't understand how these guys have the energy to play after the hikes that we've done. We're all full of, like, Miguel's breakfast, too. So, yeah, good times.
Oh!
I so wish you would have made that.